How to turn off read mode on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Once you are on the website where you want to disable the feature, tap on the icon below as shown. From the menu that appears, tap on the three-dot icon at the bottom right corner. This action opens the full page menu. On this screen, scroll down to find the Use Reader Automatically option. Simply tap the toggle switch next to it. After disabling it, tap on the check mark in the top right corner to confirm and close the menu. You will be returned to the web page, which will now load in its standard view. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily turn off read mode on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.